Hello everyone, welcome to the training section for Metallurgical Image Analysis System. In this video, we will be covering the analysis module Dendritic Arm Spacing. Dendritic arm spacing or cell spacing is a process for measuring the cell space inside aluminum. So this analysis module is for aluminum, where we can measure the cell spacing between individual cells in an aluminum sample. To do the process, you open the image. This is an actual customer sample. You go to measurements, open the dendritic arm spacing dialog box. There is no batch processing or anything. These are run separately. Normally, customers run on 3 or 4 samples for aluminum spacing and conclude on a result. So the step is, you first click on initialize. It will do the analysis on the image, find out the space between the cells and create a boundary line between each cells. If you see here, the blue lines are the centered boundary lines between each cells. Centered boundary lines. So to identify the cell spacing between the cells, all you need to do is draw lines across the boundary lines. If you see here, if you click on here, move the mouse, click again, you draw a line like that. Similarly, if you click here, you can draw multiple lines. So what the system will do is, whatever you see the result here will be the consolidation of these 3 lines. It will consider all the cell spacings and measure the gap space between each cells here. Measure the space between each cells. This is the consolidated result of these 3 lines. So as you draw more lines, your result will get updated accordingly. The minimum, the maximum, total count, average and standard deviation. After that, you add your result. So this is the result for one sample. You can repeat the process again for another sample. You do the initialization. This will take a couple of seconds to complete, depending on the size of the image. If you have a bigger image, this process will take more time, since it has to identify the cells between the space between the cells, and also it has to identify the locations, the centered location of space between each cells. You repeat the same process. You draw lines, you click the mouse here, move it to another location. You know how the lines are extending as you move the mouse. Click here again, you will draw another line. So this process you can repeat across as much samples as possible. You will get the consolidated results. So now this is the result for 2 samples. It gives you an average. It will give you a histogram. You create the report. You get the report dialog where you can enter the customer, your specimen ID, specimen name, supplier, part number, any remarks that you want. Create report. So this can create report in Excel or PDF format. You can edit the Excel report and as like you want. If you want to reorganize the things, you can reorganize on the Excel report, or you can create a PDF report by setting the report format as PDF in the system configuration. Thank you.